Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to create your Windows boot on your brand new SSD. So if you want to install Windows 10 or Windows 11 on your brand new SSD, and I will be showing you how to do that without having to plug in your new SSD to your new machine or your old machine, and you have to plug in your USB flash drive and create the USB flash drive media creation tool and go through all that steps. If there's an easier option, there's a software where it's able to do that for you. So I will show you the adapter and the SSD that I'm using here. So I'm using this SSD, the Kingston SSD right here, and then I have it in this U-green adapter. And it's to USB. I'll be using that, and I will have links below in the description for these two items, and if you want SATA to USB only adapter, I will have that links below. So what you want to do from here is plug in a USB adapter to your PC, and it's right here. I have some stuff on this one from Windows 10 because I have done a video previously and I didn't do anything with this SSD from last time. So I have these files on there. I don't have anything important on here, so I can just go ahead and do this. So what you want to do first step is go to your web browser. Um, from here you have to go to WinTUSB, and it's in this website TechSpot, and then this is the software, the utility that we can use, and it says here free Windows to go creator, which allows you to install and run fully functional Windows on an external SSD hard drive, USB flash drive, or Thunderbolt drive. That's pretty simple. It's called WinTUSB version 7.1. All you have to do is download it, follow the prompts on the screen, and give it access. And once you have done that, you have to go to Windows 11 and download the ISO image from Microsoft. And once you download the ISO image, it's about 5.2 or 5.3 gigs, and this one is about like maybe what file size 23.2 megabyte. Once you have done that, you can just click on this utility right here, which we have downloaded, and then from here you just have to wait for it, and then you have to select Windows installation USB. Create a Windows installation USB drive from a Windows installation ISO. That's what we can be doing. We can click here, and then from here it's not that complicated. We just have to select the image that we have, and you can just select image source and then click browse image file. Go into your downloads folder and then click on Windows English, Windows So now we are installing. It's at 60% and bro, time remaining is like 19 seconds, 10 seconds, 6 seconds, 2, 0. And it's at 100%. The operation completed successfully. And our collapse time is 2:06. And it says down here next to the finish button, the operation completed successfully. So once that happens, you just can click finish, and we're basically done, and we're back to the same screen here. So for this video is completed. I will put links down below for the items that I'm using and for to make this process happen, and I will put links below for the software and for the Windows ISO image link. And you can do this easily with a brand new SSD or an old SSD that you're using. It works with hard drives or external SSDs. So even if you bought any external SSD and you want to have um, a bootable SSD, where if you're going out somewhere and you want just a bootable USB, Windows 10 bootable USB, so you can have that with you. So I will have links down below. If you like the video, please hit the thumbs up button, subscribe to my channel, and I will be making more content. Thank you for watching.